Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more LeetCode question called 2 sum 2. Input array is sorted. So let's read the problem statement first. Given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. So in this question, we are given an array which is called numbers, right? In this case we have 2, 7, 11 and 15, and then we are given one more value called target, right? Now what we need to do, we need to find two numbers in this particular array which we are going to add both of them, and it is going to be equals to the given target. Here they given it is one index based array, so which means we are not going to return exact index value, we are going to add the position of those values. For example, index value is going to start from 0. Instead of that, we are going to return the position as 1. Okay, and we have few constraints for this particular question, which is the tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. So how many numbers may be in this particular array, but the solution for this question will be only one. And next one, you may not use the same element twice, so we should not use the same element again and again. So we cannot use the brute force approach here. And next one, your solution must be only constant extra space. So we should not take in additional spaces. So we cannot use the map also. So we need to use something else to find the output, and which will not take any extra space. So for that, I'm going to take the two pointer approach for this particular question. And how we are going to do that, I'll explain first. Now I'll copy these elements and then I'll come to my paint tab, then I'll take this value right? So for this particular question, I'm going to take two pointers called left and then right. I'm going to take two pointers. The left pointer is going to point into the first element of the array, and the right pointer is going to point into the last element of the array. Now since we are given the target as 9, I'm going to keep on add these two elements. So for first time, I'm going to add 2 and then 15. Now I'm going to compare whether this value is equals to 9 or not. See, 2 plus 15, it is nothing but 70. Now 70 is not equals to 9. The value is greater than the target. So in such case, I'm not going to add this values and I'm not going to return the index value of this one. Instead of that, I'm going for the next element. So here in this case, the value is greater than the target. So I'm going to decrement the right pointer so that I can get the next minimum value, because it is sorted in order, right? So now it is going to be 2 plus 11. So 2 plus 11, it become 13. Now still it is greater than my element. So I'm going to again decrement the value. Now it is going to be 2 plus 7. Now this is the exact output exact target we are looking to. So now 9 equals to 9. Yes, it is. So we are going to return the index value, which is 2, 7, which will be 0 and then 1. But since they are asking one index based array, I'm going to increment the value by 1. So now it is going to be 1 and 2. So this is the output we are looking for, and we are going to return it as an array, right? I hope you are understood so far. Now I will write the program for this particular question. Okay. So for this one, first we need two pointers, right? Two values. So I initiate left and right, and left is pointed to 0 and the right is pointing to numbers dot length minus 1. So we took two pointers left and right. Now the base case is very simple. Until my left is lesser than the right, I'll take the base case, which is before that I'll take the current sum. So I'll initiate a value here, integer current sum. Okay, right. Now the base thing is what? Taking the current sum value first. Current sum equals to numbers of left plus numbers of right. Okay, now next thing, base condition, if the current sum is greater than the target. If this is the case, right, if this is the case, we are going to increment the right pointer, so right plus plus. And next, else if my current sum is lesser than the target, we are going to increment the left pointer, and there it should be right minus minus. Okay, if this is not, we are going to return new integer of the index value, so left plus 1 and right plus 1. So this is the output. Now after this while loop, we'll just return the first position, so new int of 0th value. Now I'll just run the program, and you can see that all the test case has been passed. Now I'll submit it. Right, now it is accepted all the test cases, and this is the very efficient approach for this particular question, which is not taking any extra spaces, right? And the time complexity for this particular program will be order of n, because we need to iterate each and every element until we get the target, right? So thank you for watching, and if you need any other program to discuss, put it in the comment section.